Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to enable two-factor authentication on Discord. So if you want to enable the two-factor authentication, tap on the U icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the profile interface. You can see over here, you'll be able to see various informations over here. So if you want to enable the two-factor authentication, go to settings. Tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to access the settings. You'll be able to find various options over here. In the section for account settings, at second, you'll be able to find this option for account. Tap on it. Now you'll be able to access the account informations over here. What you have to do is scroll down. Now in the section for how you sign into your account at third, you'll be able to find this option for enable authenticator app. Tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll have to download an authenticator app. You can download the applications like Authy or Google Authenticator on your phone or tablet. In order to do that, what you have to do is go to the Play Store. Now tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply search for Google Authenticator or any other authenticator app. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for Google Authenticator and tap on it. Now in this interface, you'll be able to find the option for install. Tap on it, wait for a while and it will be installed. You can see over here, I've already installed it. After you install it, what you have to do is go back to the Discord app. Now tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll have to enter this particular code in the two-factor authentication app. You'll be able to see the code over here. Tap on this option, copy. Now after you do that, what you have to do is open the Google Authenticator app. Due to security reasons, this application's interface will not be recorded. But at bottom right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the plus icon. Tap on it. Now you'll be able to find the option for scan a QR code and enter a setup key. Tap on the option, enter a setup key. Now after you do that, you'll have to enter the code name and key over here. In the section for code name, you can simply enter Discord. Now in the section for your key, what you have to do is simply paste the key that we copied earlier from Discord. You can do it via the clipboard. Now after you do that, tap on the add option that you can see on the screen. Now that particular key will be added for the Discord. Now what you have to do is go back to the Discord app. Now tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll have to enter the Discord code over here. Go to the Google Authenticator app. Now what you have to do is find the code for Discord and tap on it. Now it will be copied automatically. Now what you have to do is enter the code over here. Now you'll have to verify with the password. Enter your password over here. After you enter the password, tap on the option submit that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the two-factor authentication is now activated. Now whenever you log into the account, you have to go through the authentication process in order to log in. This adds extra layer of security to your account. So like this, you'll be able to activate it. So that is how you enable two-factor authentication on Discord. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.